Hello. Today I'm gonna tell you about the thing that I think is beautiful. There are lots of beautiful things, but for me, the most beautiful thing is nature. Each place with nature has its own beauty, like some waterfalls with its grassy edges and little streams of water. Nature has fields, mountains, caves, forests, trees, flowers, and beaches. All of these places have its own beauty. Trees and flowers make me calmer, happier, and patient. When I see them, I look at their details, look at their color, look at how they move in the breeze, and examine every bit of them. I like how they make me feel, and I like how I always examine them. Trees and flowers are beautiful, and they are my favorite thing about nature. I very like it when a little rain falls on trees and flowers. They somehow glimmer in the rain and sun, making them look more pretty and cheerful. Trees and flowers make me feel loved and no longer lonely in these days with COVID-19. Nature is important too. Nature gives us lots of things we need, like food, water, air, and other things. For me, nature is the most beautiful thing in the whole world. Scientists have not discovered everything about nature. Nature still hides lots more mysterious and beautiful secrets yet to discover. I hope scientists will discover all the secrets of nature so people will see all its beauty. I hope people will protect nature's beauty so the world can be a better place. What do you think is beautiful to you?